If you read my t-shirt here, I'd say yeah, there are more pressing matter than who kiss who, like choosing the right tweezers for jewelry making.
So I'm going to review 3 different brands of tweezers. I need new tweezers. This is my last one. Where did the rest go?
I don't know. What do I look like? Someone organized?
I need a new one because this one, I don't know if you can see it, but the tip no longer meets. I also lose this from time to time, so I need spares. I can't remember where did I get this from, so I chose 3 different tweezer sets. Let's see if there's like any difference in quality and, you know, the ability to pick up solder chips, because as you can see, like solder chips, they are like tiny. This one is a little too big. See, compared to like precision tweezers, this tweezer is definitely not the kind that you want. It's too clunky. If you like my video, please subscribe or follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and maybe you can also buy me a coffee. You can donate like $3 or something. Help a girl out, okay? If you like it, well, let me know. Okay, let's start from the most expensive one. Comes in a nice metal tin box. So the tweezers, as you can see, they all have straight tips. Aside from this one, they all come with a tube covering for the tips. Okay, let's analyze this. This feels like quality. $29, definitely not the most expensive. For jewelry making, there are far more expensive tweezers that you can buy, but honestly, I just don't want to spend that kind of money, you know, for tweezers. If they pick up solder chips, I'm good, because that's all I need it for. Pick up solder chips. Overall, the tips meet really well. Ground really smooth and precise. I like the feel. The brand is good. I assume it's like German or Dutch for good. Definitely picks up solder chips. Ooh, see? So this is a good set. And when you want to store it, well, it definitely some quality storage here. I like it. Let's see other tips. It also comes with a blunt tip like that. This is the only one with blunt tip. This also pick up solder chips. Only it might be a little bit awkward because it's blunt, but it's actually pick up solder chips really well. I have no idea if the length matters, but yeah, this is quality tweezers, definitely. Will I keep it? That to be determined. If the other 2 are also good or bad. Let's check out the $24 one. It comes in this nice gold pouch. This one actually was sold at Beauty Tweezers. Let me show you the inside. Are you ready for this? Dun dun dun! Look how pretty they are.
Cute!
It's like anodized color or something like that. Most of them actually bent tips, which I like because bent tips are just more
ergonomic.
However you say that word.
Ergonomic?
Yeah, whatever, yeah. That word. Okay, let's see. This also feels like quality tweezers. Can you see the colors? Like super pretty. And tips also meet, which is really nice. Suitable for my needs, definitely. And let's see if they will pick up solder chips. These tiny solder chips. Ta-da! Pick up really easily. No struggle at all. And they all come with this like soft silicone tip that is closed on top. Super nice. Like I said, sold as beauty products, but I don't see why I cannot use this for jewelry making. And I love all the different bent tips, and actually only comes with 1 straight tip. Bent tips are useful if you are making ring. Why am I not wearing ring? Rings. Ta-da! Okay, so if you want to make something complicated and you need to put solder chips in the grooves, you know, in the grooves or on the inside or like this. I just really like bent tips for that. Like straight tips, you can also put it, but I don't know, bent tips just more precise for me anyway. I don't know about you. That's why I love that this comes in 4 different bent tips. This one actually really thick. This one is a unique shape. This is for putting on fake lashes, but let's see if this can pick up solder chips too. Yes, yes it will. See? So I really like this, but let's move on to the cheapest one. $12, comes in a really fancy looking box. Ta-da! Those are the tweezers. Packaging wise, the least impressive, but you know, $12. 4 straight tips and 1 bent tip. So this one has holes, which is kind of unique. Definitely feel less heavy, feels thinner. This feels a little bit more solid to hold. Well, this is also solid. This is actually better than my old one right here. My old one just feels so flimsy now compared to this. This is definitely like quality for $12. Tips are meeting very well. Let's see if they pick up solder chip. Yes, yes, yes. You get 5 tweezers for $12. Also have the blunt tip, which will also pick up solder chip. See? You know, not a bad set. I like it. I would keep it. But overall, like, they all have straight tips, which I mentioned before that I like the bent tips for, you know, like more
ergonomic. I still can't say that word.
Which set would you choose? The holy $12 one, colorful $24 beauty tweezers, or the $29 good tweezers? Let me know in the comments. As for me, like I mentioned before, I think you probably can already guessed it. This is the winner for me. First of all, they're colorful. Colors are always good because my bench is a mess and colors always stand out. So it's easier for me to find if I were to lose them in the future. So this is the set for me. I will keep the $24 one. And because I love that there are like 4 different bent tips. But you know, I would not reject any of these. Like I would keep any of these if they were given to me. But I'm not gonna keep 3 different sets of tweezers in my house. I think that's a little bit excessive. So I'm going to keep the beauty tweezers. This is the winner for me. I got a new set of tweezers. Yay! If you want to know where to buy any of these tweezers, you can find it in the description below and also in my blog. If you like this review and you would like me to review something else in the future, let me know in the comments. Okay, this is Charisma checking out. I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah. And remember this, okay? The world has bigger problems than boys who kiss boys and girls who kiss girls. You know, like choosing the right tweezers. Or making jewelry. Learn. Advance yourself. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.